We're going to Subway to get some cookies. So let's do this. Cookies. I want cookies. Now. Lucky for me, we finna go to Subway to get some cookies. I know I already said that, but it's the truth. I've been like starting and stopping my iPod like on and off and on the whole way down here just to make this video. We'll see how it turns out. Back on the scene, crispy and clean. Don't ask. Look, we're almost there. Oh yeah! Not that milk and honey place. The Subway is right here. Exciting. Hello. I'm just gonna have cookies.
Just cookie?
Yep. I'll have 3 chocolate chip.
Okay.
And then, once you're done with that, I will have 3 more. I'll have 2 chocolate chip and then 1 snickerdoodle.
That's it?
That's it.
2 grams.
Okay. We got our cookies. Ugh. Walking backwards. This is dangerous, I might fall. Walking forwards again.